Are you wondering why the levels in your lake are dropping? You're not alone. Understanding the factors affecting lake levels is essential for restoring and maintaining lake health. This video will help clarify this complex issue. Water levels in lakes typically drop when outflows and losses surpass inflows and gains. This can often be attributed to a mix of human and environmental influences. Factors include evaporation, reduced inflow from rain or melting snow, groundwater seepage, upstream water withdrawals, changes in dam or outlet structures, basin changes, and legal water management issues. Let's look at the primary causes. Evaporation during hot, dry conditions directly removes water. Reduced inflow results when there's less rain or snow. Groundwater seepage occurs when local water tables fall, allowing lakes to lose water to surrounding sediments. Upstream activities often cause reduced stream flow. Additionally, damaged outlets or dam structures can cause unintended draining. Tracking lake health requires regular monitoring. A simple checklist for diagnosing lake level drops includes checking historical records, measuring lake depth and shoreline changes, inspecting inflow and outflow points, testing local wells, reviewing precipitation data, inspecting for leaks, observing aquatic vegetation, and contacting local water authorities if extraction is suspected. Human activity significantly impacts lake levels, especially in urban areas. For instance, agricultural water withdrawals and municipal pumping can drastically alter inflow patterns. Urbanization increases runoff while decreasing groundwater recharge, leading to more runoff and less immediate lake water support. Climate change also plays a vital role. Warmer temperatures drive evaporation rates up. Many lakes that depend on glacier meltwater face reduced summer inflows as glaciers recede. These changes create longer-term variability in lake levels. Moreover, low water impacts not just quantity, but also water quality and biological health. Concentrated nutrients can lead to excess algae blooms, which can deplete oxygen levels in water. Monitoring indicators like chlorophyll A levels, secchi depth, dissolved oxygen, and nutrient concentrations is crucial for assessing lake ecosystems. Restoring lake health involves identifying the root causes and implementing sustainable practices. This can range from reducing nutrient runoff to installing riparian buffers and enforcing water management regulations. So, what should you do if your lake's water levels are dropping? Start documenting water levels and shoreline conditions, gather water quality data, and communicate with local authorities. Engage in community monitoring efforts to preserve your lake for future generations. Taking these steps will not only enhance lake health, but also foster a better environment for all aquatic life. Join the conversation today about preserving our lakes.